Happy Bharat, happy world, rich Bharat, rich world. I am Kavya Shri, working in Kapila Maharshi Numerology office as a PRO. Let's speak with BABAPANDURANGAM Garu, world's high-paid numerologist, excellent life coach and also yoga guru, about a new topic. Hello sir, how are you?
Happy morning, great morning, good morning. I am always happy and excellent. What about you, Kavishri?
I am also fine and excellent also, sir.
Very nice and glad to meet you. Very
Yes,
nice.
same here also, sir.
So, what is today's topic?
Today's topic is very excellent and interesting topic also.
Oh.
As many viewers and subscribers are coming around in our channel also.
Yes,
so,
Telugu, Babapandurangam
yes,
Telugu
BABAPANDURANGAM
channel.
Telugu channel also. And English channel also, many subscribers and viewers are also increasing day by day.
Yes.
So, we are very happy and very thankful to you
Thank
everyone.
you so much, subscribers and viewers and
Yes,
like
thank you
and
so
comment.
much. Yes. So about them, so now you are giving a new topic about super codes and codes are also. So please explain about how many super codes are there and how many codes are there in Vedic numerology, and please explain how to calculate the destiny number and name number also.
Yes, yes, definitely. Thank you so much. So, before this video,
Okay.
definitely you can follow this best marriage for excellent love in September 10th, 2025.
Okay.
And direct best marriage for excellent life
Yes.
at my office.
Yes.
And online September 19, 2025. This is the super course. And after 2026, after 1 year, you can get these super codes. Okay.
Okay. Next this year only last chance.
This is the golden opportunity this
Yes.
year. This September 19th complete. You can wait for 1 year.
Okay.
Next year 2026 August 1st 10-19.
Okay, but if they want to go for online, sir, then can they
Yes,
register? Okay.
this is the 19 September 2025.
Okay.
This is the online price 69,999 online price. And hurry up, this is the last chance.
Okay.
This is the golden opportunity. Health, wealth, relation, career, money, any field you can achieve these practice this attending best marriage for excellent life program.
Okay, if they are facing any problems in their married life also, or financially, or any health issues also, they can overcome by this best marriage for excellent life.
Yes, definitely.
So you can register for this best marriage through online also.
Yes.
Not our Indians, NRIs also can go for online appointment.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
And this is the lucky name, lucky mobile number, lucky bank account number, lucky vehicle number, lucky marriage dates. This is a must. You can follow these 5 steps.
Okay.
You definitely achieve your any sector, health, wealth, relation, career, money and spirituality. You can achieve simply.
Okay, fine, sir.
And this is a very great.
Okay.
And this one already I told in the first video, 800 crore people living on the earth, they have the 81 numerology codes.
Okay, 81 codes are there.
The 81 numerology codes never change in the world because the population increasing 9,900 crore and 1,000 crore people, the 81 numerology codes are never changed.
Okay.
Because this is the fixed formula.
Okay.
Okay.
81 codes.
And my numerology code 5 and 2. Birth number is 5, destiny number is 2.
Okay.
This is the birth numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the destiny number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 80% of the people, they are not like the business, they are not like the jobs. Because the destiny number is changed, birth number is changed, they are doing different jobs. Because what about your birth number, what about your destiny number tells truth about your business and jobs.
So our profession depends on this birth number,
Yes,
sir, then?
definitely.
Okay, we have
your
to choose.
profession decided
Okay.
birth number and destiny number.
Okay, accordingly we have to choose.
100%.
Okay, fine.
Because 80% of people, they don't know the birth number and destiny number. What is the important of the birth number and destiny number?
Okay. Okay, sir,
And
fine.
20% of the people know the birth number, destiny number and secret, but they are not success. Only success people are the 2%.
Okay.
The billionaire and millionaire and great person and famous person in the world.
Okay.
Okay. And how to calculate the birth number and destiny number?
Okay, please explain.
See this is the important of the birth number and destiny number.
Okay.
And 81 numbers of numerology codes. My destiny number and birth number 5 and 2.
Okay.
5 number is the birth number.
Okay.
And 2 number is the destiny number. And in Telugu, 5 number is the Janma Sankhya and 2 is the Vidhi Sankhya. And in Hindi, 5 number is the Moolank and 2 number is the Bhagyank. Bhagyank means the future number, life path number and direction number.
Okay.
Where you are going, this is the direction number.
Okay.
The future number, direction number.
Okay.
What will we do in the future? This is the 2 number.
Okay, it decides what to do in future also.
Yes. And the numerological, how to calculate. This is my date of birth. This is the 5 is my date.
Okay.
Month is the 7th July and 1979. This is the year.
Okay.
You can take the 5 plus and 7 month number and plus and century number. This is the year number.
Okay.
1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9. And 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 and 1 plus 9 is 10 and 7 plus 9 is 16. You can calculate 10 plus 16 is 26 and 12 here, and you can add the 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 3 plus 1 is equal to 38. Total number is total number 38 because date, month and year
also.
Total you can place,
Calculations.
get your final number 38, and you want to go together the 2-digit number 3 plus 8, it is also going to master number 11.
Okay.
And you can get the last 1-digit number. So 1 plus 1 is going to 2. 2 is the my destiny number. You can also take the paper and pen. You can write your date of birth and calculate the birth number and destiny number. Definitely 100% guarantee your birth number and destiny number decide your future. Definitely 100% your birth number and destiny number decide your future.
Okay.
Without destiny number, without birth number, you can't move in the world. Okay? This is a very powerful number, and this is 81 numbers in the numerology. You are born in America, you are born in London, Singapore, wherever in the 200 countries. Definitely you have the original date of birth. You get the 81 numerology codes. My numerology code 5 and 2. And your numerology code 5 and 6.
Okay.
And different numerology codes, different characters, different results. Definitely this is the powerful technique in numerology, Vedic numerology. Birth number and destiny number. You know the birth number, you know the destiny number, you definitely know your secrets. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And in coming videos, we will explain the 81 numbers
Codes.
of numerology codes.
Okay, sir.
1 series, 2 series, 3 series, 4 series, 5 series, 6 series, 7 series, 8 series, 9 series.
Okay.
So total 9 series got 81 numerology codes. And please like and subscribe, all bell icon, activate the all bell icon and forward this video near and dear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Happy Bharat, happy Varal Rich Bharat, Rich Varal Jai Ho Bharat.